Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Myself Purvi Dobaria and today we are going to learn about the inheritance and variations second part. Before going on to the second part, let's recall what we have studied in the first part. In first part we have gone through the basic terminologies of inheritance and variation, monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, Mendel's law of inheritance, that are the law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. Then we have gone through the inheritance of one gene, incomplete dominance and multiple allelism or the codominance. Now in second part, we are going through the chromosomal basis of inheritance. In 1902, Sutton noted the parallel between the behaviors of chromosome and behavior of the Mendelian factor. Now chromosomal theory of inheritance. Gene have the specific loci on the chromosome and the chromosome undergoes segregation and independent assortment. Now what does Morgan's study reveal? Morgan's studies reveal that genes are located at the specific chromosomes at their specific locations. There are many genes on a single chromosome and gene can be linked to the various degrees. Now Morgan has taken an experiment on the Drosophila, that is the fruit flies. He has taken only 4 pairs of chromosomes. In first, wild type flies which have the red color and white eyes is a mutant phenotype. Now the white colored eye was a male and a red colored eye was a female. Now he has taken the F1 generation, in that he got all the flies with the red eye, and in F2 generation he got the ratio of 3:1, that is 1 white eye colored and 3 red. This occurs because eye color is linked with the fly's sex. Now sex linked genes. The genes that are located on the sex chromosome. What does it state? जो भी जीन्स हमारे सेक्स क्रोमोसोम्स पे लोकेटेड होंगे उसे हम सेक्स लिंक्ड जीन्स कहेंगे. Now linked with genes. What does it state? The genes that are located on the same chromosome and tends to be inherited together. मतलब जो भी जीन्स एक ही क्रोमोसोम पे लोकेट होंगे और वो इनहेरिटेड भी साथ में ही होंगे. Now, linked genes deviate from the expected Mendelian ratio. Now here we go with the example. Now in the second example, that is the example body color and the wing size of the Drosophila. What Morgan has taken, when the white Now here is the experiment of the Morgan study. Now in the second experiment figure, that is the right side, he has taken the grey and the normal wings, that is the wild type, and black with the vestigial wings. The parents and the F1 generation we get the one wild type, that is the grey and the normal wings, second black and the vestigial, then third grey and the vestigial, and last black and normal. Here the Mendelian ratio is not shown, as the ratio we get here is the 1:1:1:1. All the flies are different, and here we can see 2 parental phenotypes, that are the wild type and the black vestigial, and other 2, that is the grey vestigial and black normal is the recombinant phenotype. So basically हमको यहाँ पे मेंडेलियंस का रेशियो नहीं मिला है F1 जनरेशन में, हमें पूरा अलग रेशियो मिला है. 2 था वो पेरेंटल फिनोटाइप में मिला और जो दूसरे 2 थे, जो ग्रे वेस्टिजियल और ब्लैक नॉर्मल, वो रिकम्बिनेंट फिनोटाइप था. Now genetic recombination, the production of new combinations of traits inherited from 2 parents. जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन होता क्या है? जो हमारे पेरेंट्स का फिनोटाइप है या तो फिर उनका जीनोटाइप, उसमें से जो न्यू कॉम्बिनेशंस आ रहे हैं उसे हम जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन कहेंगे. अब पेरेंटल टाइप क्या होता है उसके लिए? व्हेन द ऑफस्प्रिंग फिनोटाइप्स आर आइडेंटिकल टू पेरेंट्स, and recombination means offspring phenotypes are the new combination that we are getting the ratio of 9:3:3:1. In that we are getting yellow and round seeds plus yellow and wrinkle seeds. That yellow and wrinkle seeds and green and round seeds were the recombinations. When 50% of all offspring are recombinants, we say there is a 50% frequency of the recombination. Genetics can use recombination data to map a chromosome's genetic loci. Now, genetic map क्या होता है? तो an ordered list of the genetic loci along a particular chromosome. अब genetic location along with its particular chromosome, उसका एक ordered list होता है. और linkage map क्या होता है? A genetic map based on the recombination frequencies. Sex-linked genes have unique pattern of inheritance. अब उसमें यूनिक पैटर्न हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं और वो यूनिक पैटर्न किस तरह से होता है? तो फादर पास सेक्स लिंक्ड अलील्स टू डॉटर्स बट नॉट सन एंड मदर्स पास सेक्स लिंक्ड अलील्स टू बोथ सन एंड द डॉटर. बिकॉज मेल्स हैव ओनली वन लोकस दे कांट बी हेटेरोजाइगस सेक्स लिंक्ड डिसऑर्डर्स इन द ह्यूमन. और उसके दो एग्जाम्पल हैं मस्कुलर डिस्ट्रॉफी एंड हेमोफीलिया. Non-disjunction. The member of a pair of homologous chromosomes do not move apart properly during the meiosis 1 or 2. In simple language, जब हमारा क्रोमोसोम meiosis 1 और 2 के टाइम पे सेपरेट नहीं हो पाता है उसे हम नॉन डिसजंक्शन कहेंगे. नाउ एनोप्लॉइडी वो हमें क्या स्टेट करता है? हैविंग द एबनॉर्मल नंबर ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम. ट्राइसोमिक अ क्रोमोसोम इन replicate, that is 2n+1. Example, the trisomy 21 Down syndrome. Monosomic, if a chromosome is missing, that is 2n-1 and states the number of chromosome. अब यहाँ पे हमें नॉन डिसजंक्शन बताया हुआ है कि कैसे होगा. In the first diagram we can see that non-disjunction occurs here. The chromosome didn't get separated, and in the second meiosis 2 we can see the non-disjunction where the chromosome didn't get separated, and hence we are getting the number of chromosomes are n+1, n+1 and n-1 and n-1, and in the second we are getting n+1, n-1, then n and n. Now polyploidy, organisms that have more than 2 complete chromosome sets. जब ऑर्गेनिज्म के पास 2 से ज़्यादा कंप्लीट सेट्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम होते, दैट इज ट्राइप्लॉइडी 3n, टेट्राप्लॉइडी 4n, लेकिन इनका अपीयरेंस एनोप्लॉइड से मच बेटर होता है या फिर नॉर्मल होता है. ब्रेकेज ऑफ अ क्रोमोसोम कैन लीड टू 4 टाइप्स ऑफ चेंजेस, that is deletion, duplication, inversion and translocation. तो ये सब टर्म्स हम लोग ये फिगर से अच्छी तरह से समझ सकते हैं. दैट इज फर्स्ट इज अ डिलीशन. अ डिलीशन रिमूव्स अ क्रोमोसोमल सेगमेंट. Here we can see in the first the D segment is there, and after the deletion the D gets deleted. Now duplication, it tends to be the repeat of a segment. Here in first segment B and C are highlighted, and after duplication B and C duplicates and the segment increases. Inversion. अब inversion में क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं A, B, C और D सब है एक सीक्वेंस में, और inversion के टाइम B और D ने अपना जगह बदल लिया. दैट इज द A, D, C, D. Inversion हो गया. Now translocation moves a segment from one chromosome to another non-homologous chromosome. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि A, B और नीचे है M, N, O. जब रेसिप्रोकल ट्रांसलोकेशन होगा तो M, N, O ऊपर चले गए और A, B नीचे आ गया. तो ब्रेकेज के टाइम पे 4 कंडीशंस हो सकते हैं, दैट इज डिलीशन, डुप्लीकेशन, इन्वर्जन और ट्रांसलोकेशन. डिलीशन, deleting the segment of the chromosome. duplication, it gets duplicated. In inversion, it takes the invert positions, B instead of B or the D instead of B. In translocation, the reciprocal translocation occurs. A and B comes downside and an O comes in the first. Thank you.